Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into SUPERVerse, Super, and whether it's about to explode. The setup looks strong, and this could be a big mover in the coming weeks. Let's break it down. SUPERVerse currently has a market cap of $270 million with a daily trading volume of $60 million, a solid ratio that signals strong activity. It's listed on all major exchanges, including Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, and BitGet. Looking at the macro charts, from the 1-day to 5-day timeframes, everything is pointing toward a potential breakout. After 100 days of correction, Super is showing a reversal pattern, suggesting it's gearing up for a strong move. The RSI indicator confirms this shift. The last major pump took Super to $1.57, followed by a 76% drop. More recently, another pump reached $2.30 before an 84% correction. Now, Super has bottomed out and is showing signs of strength again. The short-term target is $0.75, while the mid-term target is $1.00. If we hold above the support zone, Super could rally in April and May. The next resistance is at $0.75, and breaking that could push it toward $1.00. The upside potential is around 60% from current levels. If you're looking to enter, gradual accumulation around the current levels makes sense. The downside risk is limited, and the support zone is holding strong. The latest price action also suggests a bullish continuation, with volume increasing. Super looks primed for a strong performance in the coming months. Are you bullish on SUPERVerse? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more crypto updates.